Today I'm introducing Nomousse, a tubeless system designed for enduro riders. This system allows you to decrease the pressure in the rear tire, enhancing grip on various surfaces without worrying about punctures. Moreover, installing this system is straightforward and can be done by anyone. It's also worth noting that changing tires with Nomousse is easier compared to any other system. After installation, you only need to remove the outer tires, while the Nomousse system remains on the rim, simplifying and speeding up the tire changing process. Maybe it doesn't seem that simple in the video, but trust me, it really is. The internal pressure of this system should be at least 4 bars up to 6 bars. As for the external pressure, you can adjust it as you like. It's recommended to have at least 0.2 bars and above. From experience, the best grip on surfaces is achieved with 0.4 bars, as it suits all terrains. This pressure is great for rocks and mud. However, you need to decide what suits you best. I'm talking about hard enduro. Since I was curious about the durability of the system, I tested it against impacts, and I have to say I was surprised. I didn't puncture even the outer tires. So I can confidently say that this system will perform exceptionally well in the forest, even in extreme conditions. Many compare Nomousse and Nuitech tubeless, but the difference is significant. So let me try to explain. The most noticeable difference is that Nomousse doesn't have a metal rim lock like you'd find in the Nuitech system. Honestly, I haven't noticed whether this is a disadvantage or an advantage. So if you have experience with these two systems, feel free to leave comments below the video. Another difference you'll immediately notice is the size, or rather the height. Nomousse is a much larger system, providing more protection to the rim during heavy impacts when using low tire pressure. In my opinion, this is a fantastic system for any recreational rider. I've tested various systems and I believe this is one of the best, because once you mount it, it remains consistent. Unlike tubes, which are prone to punctures and can disrupt your ride and mood when they do. Also, this system is much cheaper than mousses, and what's even better, you don't have to replace it. We all know that mousses are made of foam and don't last long, so you end up having to buy new ones frequently. Throughout testing this system, I've encountered some really strong and significant impacts on the rim, and the system has proven to be very reliable. It hasn't let me down. The only downside of this system is that it relies on air, and we all know that there's a chance of damaging the valve stem. However, that hasn't happened to me so far, even though I've had some rough rides. You've just witnessed this system in action, and you're a witness to how much more traction I have on the surface compared to the rider in front of me. Simply put, it's much easier to ride when you don't have to worry about slipping on rocks or roots. And if we were to talk about how much more tired and exhausted the rider in front of me must be, it's a real pleasure to ride with this system. Wherever you save energy in your body, that's a big plus for you. This system is a very good investment because you'll find it much easier to ride through extreme terrains. Plus, you'll have the assurance that the tube won't fail you if it punctures. And even if your outer tire does puncture, you can continue riding without any issues. If you want to learn more about this system, check out the link I've left in the video description. There you'll find all the details you need to know about Nomousse. It's a quick and easy way to dive deeper into how this innovative technology can enhance your riding experience. Don't hesitate to click and explore. When it comes to the external tire pressure, I advise against going too low because you'll compromise stability at higher speeds. My recommendation is to use between 0.3 bars to 0.6 bars in extreme forest conditions. Additionally, if you want to ride on a motocross track with this system, you'll need to increase the pressure in your outer tire slightly. While this system is difficult to damage, using extremely low pressures like 0.1 bar makes it much more susceptible to damage from heavy impacts. This is because all the force of impacts is absorbed solely by the system, as the air pressure isn't sufficient to cushion the outer tire against the system. Therefore, I strongly advise against it, and I wouldn't recommend anyone ride with pressures below 0.3 bar. Not only does it compromise stability, but it also risks damaging your system and rim unnecessarily. If you find that you lack grip at 0.3 bar, it's a sign that you need to reconsider your tire choice rather than pushing the pressure too low. As we wrap up today's video, I hope you found the insights into Nomousse enlightening and informative. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. And remember, adventure awaits just a click away. Until next time, ride safe and stay adventurous. See you on the trails.